Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park the Dodge Journey on a flat surface and set the parking brake before starting work. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts and tape the terminal to prevent accidental contact. Use a 10 mm socket and 3/8" ratchet to remove bolts and a Phillips screwdriver for any screws. Wear gloves and safety glasses. The assembly can be sharp. Keep a towel or container for small parts so clips, nuts, and bulbs do not get lost while you access the tail light area. Open the rear hatch and remove the interior access panel to expose fasteners. Remove the two 10 mm nuts on the inside panel with a 3/8" ratchet and place them in your parts container. Carefully pull the tail light assembly outward to release plastic clips, supporting the lens as you work to avoid dropping it. Unplug the wiring harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. Do not wiggle aggressively. Remove the old bulb or assembly and inspect connectors for corrosion before installing the replacement. Position the replacement tail light so alignment tabs match the body openings, then align the new tail light, press to engage the plastic clips, and reinstall the two 10 mm nuts hand tight. Tighten the nuts to snug, about 8 ft-pounds without over-torquing. Reconnect the wiring harness and the negative battery terminal, then close the hatch. Test brake, turn, and reverse lights. Each should illuminate within 2 seconds. If any function fails, recheck the connector seating, bulb orientation, and ground connection before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.